Ugh.
With the calamitous cacophony, you're driving me customers batty. Well, I'm sorry you rubes can't enjoy jazz. I'm practicing for a very important open mic night tonight. Well, practice somewhere else. This here's a jazz-free zone. Fine. I'll take my music to the people then. And if I see that clarinet again, it'll be going into the woodwind chipper.